สวัสดีค่ะ everyone Thursday new recipe for today's recipe I will split into parts for today I will show you how to make a homemade Thai green curry paste as you can guess the homemade is always better than when you go buy in the store and then next Monday I will show you how to make Thai green curry soup if it's your first time here don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you don't miss any of my recipe alright are you ready? Intro! I'm sorry if the video some part there is no cooking sound because the neighbor also decided to cut the glass so it's very noisy. First of all, we will toast coriander seeds and cumin seeds with low heat about 2 minutes. It will make the paste even more good smell. Before we start pounding spices in the mortar, we are going to chop all the fresh spices until they are fine. When we do the paste here in Thailand, we usually use a hard galangal because it will give a very good smell more than a young one. It's quite hard, so be careful when you cut and chop it. Don't cut your finger. Time for Kaffir lamb. We will use only their skin. Just cut out 2 pieces enough. If you can't find Kaffir lamb, don't worry. You can use Kaffir lamb leaf instead. It's not a big problem and it still be good. After that, we need some lemongrass. We are going to break this up. Just hit with the back of our knife. Then slice off the end and we are just going to finely chop that. Next is coriander roots. This one also helps to lower the meat smell taste in the soup. Now let's peel the garlic. As you guys noticed, this is my favorite way to do because it is fast and easy. Just smashing it and the skin is fall out already. Then we just need to chop. It's time to take care of shallot. I want to smash it same as the garlic, but I'm afraid it will not work that way. So you and me will stick in the normal way to peel it. Do you know that shallots can bring more flavor in the paste and it will make the soup even better taste? Next step is Thai sweet basil. We are going to select only the leaves. Normally in Thailand, we use chili leaf to make a paste more green color. But since it's difficult to find, we will use Thai sweet basil instead. It also makes a curry paste more green color. Last but not least, Thai green chilies. I use around 15 to 20 pieces because I love spicy. But you can adapt it according to your taste for spiciness. So first, we are going to do the dry spices and the hardest fresh spices. Start with coriander seeds, cumin seeds, galangal, lemongrass, and coriander roots. We will add a pinch of salt. It helps to add a little friction. Then pound it nice and fine. Once it's smooth, we will put it in a bowl and be ready for the other step. Next, we will add green chili, kaffir lamb skin, garlic, shallot, and a pinch of salt. After that, pound until it's nice and fine, same as the previous one. Don't stop! This is a good workout for our arms. Any point, if it's getting a little bit too wet, we can add a little bit of salt that will help absorb any the liquid in there. And be careful, don't let it splash into your eyes. We almost there. Now, let's add Thai sweet basil into a mortar. Then pound it well. Once everything is smooth, we will add the paste that we pounded at the beginning. Then pound it nice again. The last thing that's going in is the shrimp paste. This will give us a very delicious taste. Pound it well for the last time. And that's it. The homemade green curry paste is done. Looks like I cannot film the second part today because the old man he start to cut the glass again. But don't worry, I will be ready on Monday to show you guys how to cook Thai green curry soup with our Thai green curry paste. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. And if you would like to support the channel, go check on my Patreon page. I put link in description. Also, you can share this recipe to your friends, your family, and tell me in the comment if you try to make this green curry paste already. And shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย